I am Dr. Sandeep Basin from Carewell Medical Center. I am a laparoscopic and cosmetic surgeon. Today I am going to talk about various procedures of facelift. Till 1990, the most popular method for the facelift was surgical facelift. It was called SMAS lift. Now SMAS is the membrane on the muscles, epineurotic membrane on the muscles, and this was tightened and it causes face tightening. The results are really good with this technique, but the only thing, it is very invasive and people are not very interested in invasive procedures. So after 2000, we have got a lot of non-invasive procedures. I'll be talking few of them. One of them is the thread lift. Thread lift is a method in which we put threads and cause facelift, and we use PDS threads for that. Another method for facelift that is becoming very popular now is the fat grafting. So what we do in this is we remove the fat from the abdomen or from any other area by liposuction, and we use this fat for fat grafting on the face. Another method that is becoming very popular is HIFU. HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound. So I'll tell about what are the advantages of HIFU as compared to other surgical and non-surgical methods. Now surgical method always has a time, there's a downtime after any treatment. So once you go facelift, about 3 weeks to 1 month it takes for the complete healing process. So this is the time you have bruising, swelling on the face, so that's a downtime. The same problem we face with the fat grafting also, as it is a surgical method. 3 to 4 weeks are required as a downtime. As compared to that, HIFU does not have any downtime. Immediately after the procedure, you can go back to your office and nobody will come to or notice that something has been done. This is one time, there is no downtime involved in HIFU. Now comparing HIFU with other non-surgical methods is like thread lift. Now thread lift, the thing is we are able to work and cause skin tightening at a very superficial level, about 2 mm or 3 mm depth only. HIFU reaches up to 4.5 mm depth, so results are more deeper and more long lasting. The same thing is with the Thermage. Thermage is another treatment that was used for face tightening, in which we use radio frequency for face tightening. Now in HIFU, we are able to reach up to 4.5 mm, whereas in Thermage we were hardly able to reach up to 2.5 mm. So the results with HIFU are deeper and longer lasting as compared to Thermage and thread lift. So because of all these things, HIFU is becoming very popular, and it is the most popular treatment for the facelift that is now in vogue, in use now. If you have any inquiry regarding facelift or HIFU, you can reach me in my clinic, or you can be online with me on Liberate. Thank you.